What is up, guys? Gotta say, it's been a long time and it feels good to be standing in front of the camera once again. Today we'll be taking a look at the latest model introduced by Sam Darby Auto Connection, and that is the Ford Ranger Raptor X Special Edition. Now, let us go through some of the features that are unique to the Raptor X that is, not available in the standard Raptor. Chief of which is the True Red paint job. This is only available in a single color, guys. So if you want a red Raptor, this is it. Also unique to the car is this 360-degree surround view camera. So you'll find one camera up front right under the Ford lettering on the grille, as well as two under the side mirrors and one at the back. And speaking of the back, it also comes with Raptor X decals. Again, it's unique to the car and it has that whole black Thunderbolt thing going. So it looks pretty nice if you ask me. Inside, there's really not a lot of changes. So the first thing is that you've got this mixed pile carpeting with the Raptor X badge. I think it looks good, very unique with the wavy strips and all that. And the second thing that they've added here is this nicely integrated Kenwood dash cam. It's a dual channel unit, so there's one facing in front. This one has the circular polarizer or something like that to cut glare. So it's really nice, really fancy. And there's also another one rear facing, affixed to the top rear of the windscreen, and that looks pretty low profile, I would say. Now, this dash cam, it is pretty fancy because it has this Wi-Fi function, so you can download the Kenwood app and monitor your dash recording remotely from the app. And I think that's nice, and you don't have all the wires dangling because it's pretty nicely integrated. And yeah. Also to note, this is based on the 2020 model year update, so the powertrain is still the same. It uses the 2-liter bi-turbo 4-cylinder engine, making 213 PS and 500 Newton meters of torque, and the same 10-speed get-wet transmission is here as well, including the pedal shifters. Now, the 2020 update introduced new features such as autonomous emergency braking with pedestrian detection and lane keeping assist, LED headlights with the nicer square projectors, a front passenger seatbelt reminder, and a USB port near the rear view mirror. Okay, now that we're here, I want to expand a little bit on the 360-degree surround view camera system because, oh, there we go. Well, if you shift into reverse, this is the default view. You get a bird's eye view on the left and a wide rear view per se. And then you can also press on the car and then you get both the side views, and then if you press one more time, it's gonna show you the front views, both front, and if you press one more time, yeah, it goes back. So you only get two viewing modes here, one for the front, one for the side. And if you press, I guess, the rear, it goes back to the default mode. You press the front, it's going to show you the wide angle front view. And then you also get individual views. So if you're in a tight parking space, one view of the right, one view of the left, and of course, individual side view. So I think that's pretty handy. It's going to help, especially if you're driving a big car like this in very tight spaces. That's nice. Now, if you remember correctly, SDAC actually updated the pricing of the Raptor by 2,000 ringgit, thus raising the price from 209,000 ringgit to 211. Now, for the Raptor X, it's going to cost you 217,000 ringgit, so that is a 6,000 ringgit increase for all the features that you get on top of the standard Raptor. If you ask me, I think that's pretty good. And to sweeten the pot a little bit, it now comes with a 5-year or 160,000 kilometer manufacturer's warranty, which was introduced again back in February this year. So that's pretty much it for this video on the Ford Ranger Raptor X Special Edition model. For 217,000 ringgit, what do you think of the pricing? And do you still think that it is the most badass pickup truck in the market? Let us know all your thoughts in the comment section below. We'll talk there if you want. And until next time, take care, stay safe, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.